welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Emma. I am a college student, and that is primarily what I base my videos on. I kind of do like college lifestyle stuff, so if you're into that, be sure to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. I've been doing a much better job lately of being more active on there, which I think is important, so yeah. Today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, is another week in my life. Plus, today's video is extra special because I am teaming up with HelloFresh. So I think I chose the veggie plan, and I think they said it's supposed to be here today. So my mom's super excited too because she won't have to like go out and buy stuff and cook. I'm gonna cook. Actually, I think we're gonna cook together tonight. So yeah, today is Monday, October 1st. I cannot believe it's already October. The weeks, days, months are just like flying by. So I am a college student. I take classes Tuesday, Thursday. I have 3 in person, 2 online, which is a great schedule for me. I absolutely love it. So yeah, Tuesday, Thursday, I'm literally at class from like 11 to 5. And then I also have a part-time job at a dance store. I used to dance. So I work there 23 hours a week, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, all day. So Sunday and Monday is kind of like my official weekend, that I usually spend at home doing homework or just like relaxing and revamping for another week. So I'm currently in the process of reading my geology textbook. This week we are learning about metamorphism and metamorphic rocks. Super exciting. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 10 a.m. or something. My sister is so kind and she's gonna go out and take a few pictures of me later this morning. I think we said like 11. I want to do it before it gets too hot because it's supposed to be like 85 today. So yeah, there's just a couple outfits that I want to shoot. Albion, which I mentioned in my last video, they sent me a couple pieces, so I kind of want to take the picture there, and I have idea for that. So there's like 2 pictures that I want to take, and then I might just take one more because why the heck not? And like I said, I've been trying to post on Instagram like once a day, and so I have enough pictures already for like 2 weeks, but I'm just in like a creative mood and I want to go shoot some new pics. So we're gonna do that. The rest of the day I will be studying. I have a test tomorrow. It's a fairly light homework week, I would say. However, next week I'm going to New York City with my friend for fall break, which I'm super excited about. But professors still assign work over breaks, so I have to kind of work ahead just a little bit. We're only going to be gone 3 days, so I'm not like super worried about it, but there's some things that are due like the day that we get back that I'd like to get to, or that I'd like to do before we leave. That way I just don't have to worry about it. So, alright, enough talking. I have to get back to reading about metamorphism. Alright, so I just got back from shooting pictures. It went really well. We got some super cute ones, and look what is here to greet me. HelloFresh. I got the veggie plan, so it comes with, 3 different meals. So there's the Mediterranean baked veggies, the 1-pan mushroom ravioli, and then the black bean chili, which is what we're making tonight. So if you guys don't know what HelloFresh is, it's basically just an online service where you can sign up and choose meals for you or your family. They have 2 or 4 people meal plans, and then you can kind of like customize those meals. You can choose when they get delivered to your house, how many times a week, all that kind of fun stuff. And I have a coupon code for you guys. It's MSC60, and you guys can get 6 free HelloFresh meals, which is incredible. Plus you get free shipping, which is like even better because nobody likes to pay for shipping. So I'll have the link down below. If you use that link, it automatically takes you to HelloFresh, and the discount is already included, which is awesome. You just have to, well, it cuts out the middleman. So yeah, alright, that's it. Let's get cooking.
some time. Now you can decide.
Alright, it's Tuesday morning. I just finished getting ready for class and I got my backpack all packed up. So I just got home from class. It was overall a pretty good day and I got a 96 on my marketing test, which feels pretty good. I felt like most of his questions were kind of like repetitive and all about the same stuff, and they were the stuff that I knew really well, so either way, it worked out. I'm happy. So yeah, it is 4:53. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of a workout, shower, and then do some more homework.
I'm a different person than I was before. Something that time can't heal.
So today is Thursday. Yesterday, Wednesday, I literally just worked from 10 to 7, came home, ate dinner, and then I did homework, so I didn't really feel the need to vlog anything. Also, 2 out of my 3 classes got canceled, which is kind of nice. So I only have class from 2 to 3:15 today. So yeah, I was doing homework earlier this morning. I'm now currently in the car. I have to go run some errands. I'm leaving for New York in 6 days, and so I know I'm not gonna have a lot of time to pack because like the rest of my week until I leave was kind of busy. Alright, so I'm home now. It's almost noon, so I'm gonna do like 30-ish minutes of homework if I have something that I can only work on for 30 minutes. We'll see. Oh, I'm gonna start my geology chapter. That's what I'll do. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Why not? So at Target, like I said, I'm going to New York next week, and so I need some like travel size stuff. I didn't get very much because I have some things left over from previous trips. So yeah, I got this Tresemme shampoo, and then I had conditioner from when I went to Iceland, I think, so I have shampoo and conditioner. I got this little travel toothbrush set, which I get whenever I go on a trip. It's $1 and it comes with a toothbrush and toothpaste, so it's like a pretty good deal. I got some deodorant, super fun, and some wet wipes. I don't really use hand sanitizer anymore, and so my mom and I got these when we went to Europe for spring break, and they worked really well, and I keep them in my backpack, and I don't know, I like clean stuff, and I like clean hands, so these work well. At the library, I got Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People, and it is a book that someone told me to listen to, kind of my mentor-ish, I guess. We've just been talking about like my social life, lack of social life, how to make new friends, how to do that well. So he recommended this book, and then after I read it, listened to it, we're going to get together and chat about what I thought and what he thought and all that kind of fun stuff. So this is going to be great too because I drive so much Tuesday, Thursday to school. Like I'm in the car at least 3 hours a day, or not a day, a week. So I figured this would be perfect because I listen to podcasts, but there's only 2 that I listen to. Gals on the Go, and then Katie Bellioti's podcast. So I figured this would be good since those only come out like once a week. So got that, and then these are my handy dandy contacts